Electrical site progress refers to the current state of progress or development of an electrical project or installation at a particular site or location. This can include various aspects of the project, such as the installation of electrical wiring, the placement of electrical equipment, and the testing and commissioning of the system to ensure that it is operating as intended. Measuring electrical site progress typically involves tracking the completion of various milestones or tasks within the project plan, such as the completion of design and engineering work, the procurement of materials, the installation of equipment, and the commissioning and testing of the system. The progress of electrical site work can be monitored and managed using various tools and techniques, such as project management software, regular site inspections, and progress reports from contractors and other stakeholders involved in the project. Effective monitoring and management of electrical site progress is critical to ensuring that projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. Here are some steps that may be involved in electrical site progress. Planning. Before any work can begin on an electrical site, a detailed project plan must be developed. This will typically include a scope of work, a schedule, a budget, and a list of required resources and materials. Site preparation. Once the project plan has been developed and approved, the site must be prepared for electrical work to begin. This may involve clearing the site of any obstructions, setting up temporary power and lighting, and ensuring that the site is safe and secure for workers. Installation of electrical infrastructure. The next step in electrical site progress involves the installation of the necessary electrical infrastructure. This may include the installation of electrical panels, transformers, conduits, wires, and other components that are required to power the building or facility. Testing and commissioning. Once the electrical infrastructure has been installed, it must be tested and commissioned to ensure that it is functioning as intended. This may involve testing individual components and circuits, as well as overall system performance and safety. Completion and handover. The final step in electrical site progress involves completing any outstanding tasks and preparing the site for handover to the client or end user. This may include final testing and inspection, documentation of all work performed, and training for end users on how to operate and maintain the electrical system. Summary. Throughout the entire electrical site progress, it is important to monitor progress and adjust the project plan as necessary to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. Effective communication between all stakeholders involved in the project is critical to ensuring its success.